Nappy beauties, it's your girl Fabulous Nappy, and I'm back with another video for you. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so that each time I post a new video you will be notified and you can come and watch. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a braided wig hat. So as you can see, this part was already done. That's because I started doing the sewing method, like using a needle and thread to sew down the braid, but that didn't work out so well. So I decided to take it down, but then since this part was already well laid, I just decided to leave it there. So I am going to go in with my glue gun instead to complete it. Okay, so this is how it came, the packaging. So that's my glue gun. I'm just gonna plug it in. It's plugged in at the red light showing that it's on. So I'm just gonna let that heat up. This is the pad that came with it to set it on, so that in case the glue melts and it's dropping, it drops on this. It's easy to clean up, so it came in the packaging. I'm just going to set that aside. So I've got I'm using the clear glue sticks. I'm just going to insert that back there. Okay, so I'm going to let that heat up. And while it's heating up, I'm going to put on my thumb covers. These, as you can see, it's got some glue on it. I've used it before already, so this just keeps the glue away from your fingers. So all you need for this style is some braided hair, you need a cap, you need a mannequin head. If you're doing with the glue gun, you need a glue gun. You need some, I think that's it. But if you're going to go with the needle and thread, if you're going to sew it down, then you'll need a needle and thread. So you need the braided hair, you need a cap. It's a baseball cap, anyone that you like. So you turn it inside out. Make sure you turn it inside out. Turn it inside out. We're going to be working here along this line. So this part that is already laid, I did along this line. You don't put anything on this strap here. Don't put anything there, because this will help you to adjust the cap to the fit of your head. So don't put anything there. You just go over here, as I've done. And I did that really close so that my hair underneath does not show. So I used some pins to pin this cap on the mannequin head, just so that the cap doesn't move around. It should just stay on the same spot. And this is the braided hair that I'm using. So, oh, the glue gun is hot, so I'll just get started. Put that there, like that. And hold it in place. Let me turn this so you can see better. You take a braided hair, you put some glue on it. Then you press it down where you want it to be. So I just put that there. Press it down for some seconds. You need to press it tight. so that it's firm. Alternatively, you can just put the glue on the cap instead, and then you take the braided hair and just press it there like that. Okay, you should be careful because this thing, the glue is hot. Just be careful and careful not to burn yourself as well. Okay, so I'm just going to continue that process. Take a braid, put some glue on it. You can put the glue on the braid or on the cap itself, any one that you prefer. Then you just press it down. So I'm just going to continue that all through. I'll do this instead. I'll just arrange just put the glue on the cap all through. Take some braided hair and just press it down one after the other. And you have to be quick because the glue kind of dries fast as well, so don't put it on the cap and take forever to put down the hair. As you put the glue on the cap, you just go in with the hair. Just make sure that you press this down well so that it dries. It gets the stuck to the cap properly. Okay guys, so this is bad. I ran out of braiding hair and my cap isn't complete yet. I still have a long line to do here. That would be at least 10 more braids. And this little gap here. This side is not complete yet and I am completely out of braiding hair. Braided hair. But I'll do some more and complete the wig with the cap later on. But that's just about it. So I did these ones myself. So I'm just going to do some more later on and then complete the wig, the cap. But for now, it's just gonna stay like that. I'm not gonna use it until I've completed it. So I'm just gonna keep it aside because I can't do that today. But when I do that, I'll probably post the pictures on Instagram. So be sure to follow me on my Instagram. I will leave the link down in the description box, but I'll put my handle somewhere on the screen so that you can check and follow me on Instagram. So yeah, that's just it. I'm so sorry I couldn't finish it, but oh well. So this is how we're looking. I'm just gonna flip it. So this is the part where I said you don't put anything on it, so that you can adjust the fitting on your head. Just like that. You see? No spaces between, so you cannot see through. Okay, so when you're all done, which I'm not, you can see this side is scanty, this side is full. So when you're done, it should be like this. Okay, so this is about it. So that's all. Oh, let me just get this glue gun out of the way. Okay, so that's all about this video. I hope you like it, and I just want to know, have you tried this wig hat before? If you have, let me know down in the comment section how yours turned out, and if you intend to try it, then when you do, tag me on business Instagram. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. The link to my business Instagram, my personal Instagram, and my Facebook page. So if you're posting on Facebook, tag my Facebook page. If you're posting on Instagram, tag my, and well, that's it. All done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share the video to your friends, everyone, and well, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beauties.